What's going on, guys? We're back at it again today with another repair. As y'all can see, we're gonna be replacing this shingle right here. It's damaged from winds. If you look at above, no granule, well, a little bit granule, but no creasing, no tears, no nothing like that. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. We got some good before pictures for y'all as well. Alright, next up, here, lift this up a little bit. Lift this one up a little bit. As you can tell, that nail is flush. Alright. Make sure it's not landing on Coop. Oh. Coop, what's up, man? Okay. Okay. So about right in the front there. Yep. Can you come show this flush nail? Yeah. Got a flush nail right there. So Coop, if honestly, just go ahead and see if you can park that little small spot right there in the front. We drove by there yesterday. Just see if you can get them park that down. And then in that valley, I think some of that tarp blew up. It might be as simple as cutting it. As you can see right there, it's like progressive nail pull through. But if you can cut that tarp right in the valley and just nail it back down, it should be fine. Does that make sense? No, it's not the tarp that caused it. It's been the weather and everything else. So. All right, I appreciate you, bro. Okay. Well, that's what I told him. I was like, this shit. I said, get this coat because it should be a contract because I believe it's already. Okay. Yeah, just if you texted me over everything, I'll look at it real quick. I'm finishing up this repair, but I'll get those numbers over. Cool. Appreciate you, man. Yep, later. All right. Back to the repair here. I'm sure y'all can tell, but we're already having some creasing going on. I'm not gonna touch that or mess that too much right now because still got a couple nails to put in here. But you can see that this is not in the most repairable condition. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, up here. Even just standing here trying to do this, sliding. It's kind of sketchy if we're being honest here. There's granules sliding everywhere. Right, cool. So after that, now I want y'all to also see this. If you look right here, that is from footfall from just me standing on that. You can see the amount of granules that fell off from that. And that's just from standing on it. Right, that footfall is crazy. Now if you look up here at the actual repair itself, you got clear creasing right here on this one. You got some clear creasing on this one. Can they see that?
Yep.
Right, I see that. Got some clear creasing right here on this one. Look at that. Not so much on that or that. A little bit on this one. And then you can see in the corner right here, you got some damage as well. So in the process of replacing that one damaged shingle, we're definitely going to be having to cause more damage. Right, we use the correct tools, we use the correct techniques. Show the willingness to make this thing pass, but it's just the condition of this roof. We're not able to do a proper repair without causing additional damage to the surrounding shingles. But thank y'all for watching. We'll get some good pictures sent in for y'all, and have a great rest of your day.